How to send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, once you're logged in your account and you land on this home page or this chat page, navigate to the top right corner. There is three dots icon. From this drop down box, again tap on settings. Now, under your profile setting page, scroll down, then tap on stories and data. Again, tap on media upload quality. So from here, you have to choose the SD quality. This might be slower to send and can be 6 times be larger, but would have the highest quality. Then tap on save. And after changing these settings under media quality upload, all your videos and photos will be sent in high quality on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.